Well, hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today's tutorial is about flowers, crocheting flowers, and it's like roses, and I need these flowers for a project of mine which is coming next, and you will see that. And so I thought maybe first I will show you how I need to do this flower. Okay, you can use this flower for different kind of projects or of your own. The flower that I need is this small, which is about 4 cm, 3.5 in diameter. And also, if you want to make it bigger, I will show you the counting as well. So here is like 4.5 cm. Okay, so the size is as I told you, 3.5 centimeters, more or less. If you want it a little bit bigger, you can just open the petals a little bit more when you sew it. Okay, so the pattern is just going to be a multiple of 2 stitches at the +1, which means that if you want to have 2 petals, then you have to do 4 stitches +1. So if you want to have 10 petals, and then you're going to have to multiply by 2 +1, so 21 stitches. Okay, so in my case, the small rose, the small one, I need to do 4 petals with double crochet, 4 petals with a half double crochet. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last 3 petals with a single crochet. So in this case, I have 11 petals. So 11 by 2 is 22 plus 1, 23. So you're going to start the base chain stitch with 23 stitches. Okay, I'm gonna work with a red color, and the material that I'm using, the yarn that I'm using is 100% mercerized cotton. So let's start with 23 chain stitches. Insert the hook at chain number 2, so we skip 1 and 1, 2. At the second one we do a single crochet, and then we are going to do chain 2, 1, 2 chains, then we are going to skip 1 stitch and then insert at the second one, and then do a single crochet again. So we are just going to continue like this: 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and then skip 1 stitch, insert the hook at the second one and single crochet. Keep doing that until the end. So in this case, you are at the end, you are going to end up with 11 little squares like this. Okay, so let's continue. Chain 2, 1, 2, insert the skip 1 stitch, insert at the second one and single crochet, and again 2 chains, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, single crochet at the second stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, single crochet at the second. Like this, and this 2 chains for me is a double crochet, 1 double crochet. So I will do inside of the hole another 4 double crochet. So one, I call this chain stitch here, and then this is my second double crochet for me. So in total there must be 5, and 3 and 4 and 5, and if you can see here, it has a little bit of the shape of a petal. And then I am going to insert the hook right here where we have the single crochet stitch at the nest stitch, and then I'm going to do a slip stitch here, and like this we have a petal. And then I will repeat this another 3 times because I want 4 petals with a double crochet. So we will do 5 double crochet, crochet. And now I will start to do another 4 petals with half double crochet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna do any more 5 double crochets inside of the hole here, if you can see the hole, but I'm gonna do 5 half double crochets. Okay, so 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet, 5 half double crochet, and then again the next stitch we are just going to do a slip stitch. Okay, where we have the single crochet here, we just do a slip stitch. So you can see that the half double crochet petal is smaller than the double crochet petal. You can see, right? Okay, so we're just going to repeat this 3 more times. So in total we must have 4. crochet here. I did in the previous row, I did a single crochet here, so I will just have a slip stitch again. Okay, just have one more chain and then pull the thread and leave some thread because you will need that to sew it. Okay, so once you have this, then you have to put it in place. Just put it around and around, exactly like a flower. Like this, and then this has to be in the middle. Yes, this is our flower. It has to be like this. The next step, we are going to use a needle and then sew the petals so they are fixed in the place and they don't move around. So you try to keep them in their place with one finger and then turn it over in the other side and try to attach all the layers together. Okay, so for example, I will insert the needle here and then I will attach this, and then underneath I have another one. So you attach all the layers together. Okay, and then another one. I have this layer on the top and then I have a second one in the bottom. So you have to insert the needle there as well. You see, I have one here and then another one. So just attach them together and just go over like this. I have one, this is from inside and this is from outside. Okay, so you are done, and the leftover yarn you can just use this for attaching to your projects. So you have your flower ready. Okay, so this is for this small size, the counting, and as I told you, there is also this other size like 4.5 cm. For this size I can show you because I didn't attach the yellow one. I did 8 petals with a double crochet, 8 petals with a half double crochet, and then I did 3 petals with a single crochet. So in total there are 8 plus 8, 16, plus 3, 19 petals. And then by 2 is 38, plus 1, 39 stitches. So the base chain stitch was 39 stitches, and then I could have this flower. Okay, so once I finished it, yeah, you know that we just roll it like this. Yeah, so I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope it's helpful for you and useful for your projects. So if you like my tutorials, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow me in social media, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. I will drop the links in the description box. Also, you can find those links at the right top of my YouTube page. So then you can also check my Etsy shop, which is a shop for tapestry crochet patterns, mochila patterns, and so on. If you are new, I hope you are considering to subscribe and as well give me a thumbs up. And if you are one of my old subscribers and following me, I just want to give you a big thank you, and I will see you on my next project. Tschüss!